Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart VIVO X200 FE. Okay, so let's begin. So we have two methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So when it comes to the first method, it's a simple reboot from the power menu, and as a second method I'll show you how to perform a forced restart. So let's begin with the reboot first. To reboot this device we need to open up the power menu, and we do it by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time, of course. So let's click them just like that, and now you can see that the power menu appeared. Now the only thing that we need to do is to simply tap on the restart button. Then the screen will go black, and within a few seconds the device will be turned on automatically and it will be ready to use. And this method is of course recommended when we have access to the phone, when the phone works, normally, it's not lagged, and everything is fine with it. But also we have the forced restart, just like I have said, and this method is recommended when we don't have access to the phone, or for example when it's lagged or frozen, basically when it's unresponsive. And to perform the forced restart, we need to hold the power button and volume down button this time. So simply let's hold both of those buttons. Don't worry that you have taken a screenshot, sometimes it happens, but just keep holding both of the buttons. We need to hold them for like 10 seconds. Okay, the screen went black, let's wait a little bit, let's keep holding, and when the Vivo logo appears we can release our fingers. So also when it comes to the rebooting and restarting your device, it's good for the performance of your Vivo, because during that process you simply close the processes that are running in the background, and also you freed up some RAM. And thanks to that, your device might work a little bit faster. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.